competencia de botes, ¿ah? Donde mamá se va a mojar, ¿sí? Ajá. Ese es el Diego, ¿sí? Vente, vamos a ver qué están haciendo. I'm taking a shot of our competition, the Girl Scouts.
Oh yeah, better get some, do some espionage.
Hey Doug.
Mike Bradley's the guy who I trust so.
That's just to hold, that's just to keep water out of the front. It's not really structural.
Diego, mira el bote, mira el bote. And keep us inside, that's cute. Diego,
be sure you watch where you stand and where you sit there. Occasionally there might be an anthill and you don't want to get in that.
Come on, baby.
This is the largest fleet of boats we've ever had.
I have to make it all the way around and do well. It's just, I don't know if I'll be able to break the news to Sean on Monday. He's just, he and they just never could.
You can trick it out, man. You came with the idea, gravitation pull.
Yum, 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 yum.
There you go, what you got.
Have y'all done this? Yeah? Are you nervous? Are you going to sink? Oh, they're not very confident. Not much confidence, sir. All right, y'all the Winter Haven Hospitality Group? Now, are y'all from Winter Haven? What's your...
Downhill. Wait, like that. Wait, like that. She was smart. Hey, you're smart.
Diego. Diego. Hey, dog. Hey, puppy dog. Where is dog? Hey, puppy. Diego. Opa.
Go!
God's got sneakers on. You lost one in the shoe. What's the shoe? That's okay. Don't tip it over. One on one side, one on the other. Yeah. Oh man. Take your time. Oh, that bed cam might be too low.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Taking a lot of water. Badly.
Hey, Bo looks in good shape still. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. See that? See how that back is filling with water? Look at that.
Making her move.
Come on, John. Come on, John. You got it.
Hit Mickey with the defibrillator when we get him up. Have a squad standing by. Medical group They got to be taking. Hey, oh yeah.
That takes a lot of water. Badly.
Take your time. We're way off course now. Yeah. I just hope it stays and make another heat.
They're making a good comeback.
Keep going, you're gonna make it, keep going.
Oh God, this thing is big. That's right.
And the winners are the Cypress Creek Village team.
I think so too.
And the Consulate Healthcare System people are number 2 here. Nice race, guys. And Team Doculex comes in a close third. Here. Is it just first place winners, Bob? Just first place winners.
Yeah, I didn't think the seats was going to work, but we give it a shot.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, once you get on the bottom, you didn't have to. It was just too high to make it different. No seats next time. But you finished. We ain't never been near as far before. We ain't ever made it to the first buoy before, so we're good. And this is the first year that we built it, so.